Hello, welcome to DIY with Wayne. Today I wanted to show you my new tool. I bought this Bambu Lab printer. It's the model H2C. I also got the AMS unit for the top of it, which allows me to have more than one color of printing filament in the machine at one time. And right now it's only printing one color in white, but this is actually a shape of the moon, showing the topography of the surface of the moon. And it's got a few hours to print yet, but when it's finished, it'll be made into a lamp so that when the light is on, it looks like the moon glowing off in the distance. I think that'll be really cool. I'll show you that in a later video. And I have a new YouTube channel as well. It's called 3D Printing with Wayne. I'll put a link in the description to that YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it if you go over there and watch a couple videos and like a few of them. It's really a new channel and your help would really be appreciated. I've also done stuff for the shop. Like I made this clamp that you could clamp onto the edge of your workbench or something, and this is, you know, like a little vise. I mean, it's not like a good metal vise, but for lightweight stuff, I think it would work fine. I got a new shop vac for Christmas, and I printed this cyclone to go with it. Now, I don't have it all put together yet, but this will sit on top of some kind of a container, 5-gallon bucket probably, but something like that. And your vacuum will hook on here, and then your hose that you use to suck up your trash or sawdust or whatever will hook here, and the cyclone will help to filter out a lot of the particles in the air so the filter in your shop vac doesn't get clogged up as quickly. And I printed this. If I go buy one of these, they're $40, $50, $60. I think the filament to print this probably cost me $4 or $5. So it's quite a savings for that. I've also printed other things. I found a sanding block that I really like. Typically when you have a sanding block, you have trouble getting the sandpaper tight around it. This particular one, it has a clamp for both ends of the sandpaper, and then the length of the block is adjustable to tighten up the sandpaper. I really like that. I've also done a lot of plant labels. You can see these, like that's for rosemary. And these are all for herbs that I found, and I just printed these up. They're ready to go. And we got some of those herbs already planted, but the seeds haven't come up yet. But some of the annuals or the perennials are already out in the garden, like our rosemary and our sage. Those labels will be putting with those plants. I've also printed a bunch of smaller plant labels like this that I'll be using when I plant seeds to keep track of what I've planted. You know, if you've watched my videos, you know I like birdhouses. These are 3 different birdhouses that I've printed. This is a Peterson style bluebird house. This is a more traditional style bluebird house. I think both of them could be better, but they're pretty good birdhouses. This one is more of an ornamental, sorry about that, an ornamental type birdhouse. And my mom is always looking for craft stuff. She loves to paint stuff, draw stuff. She's a very crafty kind of person, and she's always running out of stuff to do. So I found this church, and I think she will enjoy painting this. That's why I did it just in white. With my AMS and then my Bambu Lab printer, I could have done this multicolors, but I did it just in white, hoping that my mom will enjoy painting it. So that's just a few of the things that I've made with this new 3D printer that I've got, but we'll be doing a lot more stuff. And I'd really appreciate it if you go over to my 3D printer YouTube channel. Like I said, it's 3D Printing with Wayne, and there will be a link in the description. And we'd really appreciate it if you go over there and, you know, give us a like, maybe subscribe, those things. It would really help us grow that new channel. But anyway, got a lot of good stuff coming from this 3D printer I've got, but I will still be doing the other things. It's almost spring of the year. We're starting to get started on some gardening stuff. I haven't done any videos about that yet, but there will be videos coming. I've got some seeds started. My blueberries are budding out. I got new strawberry plants for this year. I got new blackberry plants for this year. We'll be talking about those, as well as the other gardening stuff, as well as the home repair stuff that I'm always trying to do. But all that, we're still doing all those things, so don't give up on us. but we just added a new tool to the batch as this 3D printer. So at this point, I'd just like to say I appreciate you visiting. I really wish you'd do all those things, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we just hope you have a great day.